Dang, look at this. So that's all the product that's gonna be going into the new machines. All right guys, so again, this is how much money we have to pay for the machines. It's about $3,600. And all right guys, so real quick before we fill up the machines, this is what I was talking about. So they actually have another vending machine right next to mine. So show them, like, that one's right there. Mine are right next to them. Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. For today's video, we're gonna be going out and buying a few vending machines because we actually got our biggest location ever. Should I tell them what it is, baby?
Tell them, baby.
I don't think they're ready for it, but we got a hotel. Like, we actually got a hotel location. The owner actually messaged me on Facebook. He was like, hey, we want some vending machines, can you bring some in? And that was actually 2 days ago, so that just shows how quick we actually are. So today we gotta go buy all the vending machines for the hotel. We gotta go drop them off, go buy all the product, all the drinks and snacks for the machines. And since we are buying an ice cream machine, we might have to go buy some more ice cream because we actually don't have a lot left. We only have a few of these. If you guys know, we sell ice cream in one of our machines. These right here are actually mine. I love these. Comment down below if you've ever tried these before. They're bomb.
They're not.
They are.
They're bad.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all do, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, by the way, before we get started, in the last video, I asked you guys what color I should dye my hair next. And there's two colors that I got the most, green or purple. So on this video, go down below and comment either one of those, which one I should dye my hair next. So yeah, let's go buy those machines and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we are finally here at the vending machine warehouse. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this place before, but if you haven't, it's basically a huge warehouse where they have a bunch of vending machines. I would say there's at least, what, like 1,000?
I think more.
Yeah, they got a bunch of machines, but the scary part about it is that they have vending machines stacked on top of each other. So imagine a walkway of vending machines and just one of them falling, you're dead.
It's basically the worst place you'd want to be in an earthquake.
Yeah, oh, that's true. That's so true.
Yeah.
Vending machines without any product are like 800 pounds. So with everything inside, they're probably like over 1,000 for sure. Oh look, they're actually moving in some vending machines. Can you see it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
We might get 5, 2 soda, 2 snack, and an ice cream machine, maybe. Oh, you want to make sure people know we're taking, right?
Yep. I don't look married.
What if I pop the question with candy or ring pop? Would you say yes?
Depending what flavor.
Hey, how's it going? How you been?
What's up, brother?
What's up? Yeah, we just wanted to look at some machines because we got a new location.
What kind of location?
It's a motel.
Motels are usually decent. What kind of motel?
Motel 6.
Usually decent. You got to charge real high prices there, you know?
Yeah?
We charge in places like that $1.50 for candy minimum.
Oh, really? $1.50? So I was thinking, yeah, a snack machine, a soda machine, and maybe an ice cream machine. This one's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's very nice, but I wouldn't put it in that hotel until you know how it's doing, you know?
You said this one was 3,000?
Yeah.
All right guys, look, so I really wanted to get a machine like this, but after I found out that this machine is like, I think it was like 5,000, 6,000? I know I said we were gonna be getting 4 machines, but we're gonna be starting off with only 2, so 1 soda and 1 snack. And that's the snack machine that we're gonna be getting for now. Where's he at? Oh, he's right there, finally. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so right now it is actually the next day and we're about to go drop off the machines at the new location and then go to Sam's to buy all the product. Why is the truck so damn big? There's literally no reason to have the wheels this big. Come on. can you show them? What's up? Oh, real quick, no free clout, so I gotta block that real quick. Nah, I'm just playing. Alright, but anyways guys, this is my friend Gilbert. Obviously, we crashed our truck. We don't have a truck, so you know he's gonna be helping us out to go to Sam's, get all the stuff. So I guess we're going in the back.
No, you go in the front.
Damn, I literally have to jump just to get on. Alright, you're gonna have to hold this. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I got a quick question for you, Gilbert.
What's up, buddy?
I just wanna know, why do you have a camera facing you right there?
Because my girl has me on check, fool.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to the new location, and before I say something, check this out. There's actually another hotel behind our hotel. I kind of want to go to that hotel and see if they got vending machines, and if they don't, I'm gonna be like, yo, like we're putting machines in the Motel 6. Do you guys want some machines? Should we?
We should.
Might as well.
That was my idea, by the way. So.
Yeah, that was his idea. But anyways, right now I'm gonna go inside real quick. I'm gonna talk to the owner and let him know that we're here and that the machines are coming. Yeah, so the nearest Sam's is an hour away, so after we drop off the machines, we're gonna have to drive all the way back home, which was, like I said, an hour away, and then drive all the way back. Alright guys, so before we go inside, you guys haven't seen this yet, but we're actually gonna be paying for the machines in once. Like, we're actually gonna be paying in once. Check this out.
Dang, got Mr. Beast up in here or some shit.
All of this is just once, and it's from all the machines that we've collected the money from. I don't want to get robbed, so we gotta put this back. The reason why we're paying in once is because today is Sunday. The banks don't open today, so I kind of feel bad that I'm paying in once.
Hey, if I guess it right, can I get like a stack?
All right.
Yeah.
I'll give you one stack if you can guess the right amount.
4,500.
45? Dang, no, not that much.
Oh,
All right, give me that back. All right guys, so again, this is how much money we have to pay for the machines. It's about 3,600, and I kind of feel bad, but there's nothing I can do. That's all I had. So let's actually put this back, and then we can give it to the guy.
Yeah, we'll put this to the side.
What are you putting that?
To the side.
Vete para allá.
I'll be right back.
Alright, so I kind of feel bad, but it's all once.
Oh, okay. So how much here?
It's how much you counted it?
I forgot.
I think it was like 36. We can count it real quick.
36?
36.
Oh,
You want to take the pumpkin?
yeah.
Or do you want to keep your pumpkin?
No, it's okay. He can keep
You
it.
can give back, you know, when you come more.
Yeah, we'll get it back. I never thought I'd be paying, you know, in ones for a bunch of vending machines. I kind of felt bad, but I think he liked it.
Yeah.
So we did bring some stuff so we can fill up the machines, but we actually still need a bunch of stuff, especially the drinks. So we gotta go back to Sam's and buy everything else. But like I said earlier, the nearest Sam's is an hour away, literally right by where we live. So we gotta drive all the way back. So yeah, let's go to Sam's, let's get the rest of the stuff, and then we'll be back. We'll fill up the machines, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So let's go to Sam's. Alright,
Hey!
Alright guys, we're finally inside of Sam's. We got a bunch of stuff to get, especially drinks. We don't need that many like snacks, only pastries. Yeah, so we got a bunch of drinks to get. Let's go around, let's get everything, and it should be pretty fun. So let's go. Dang, somebody actually left the frozen food outside. I hate people that do that. Did you do this?
Oh, yeah.
You did? Go put it back.
What's
It's
your
all
time?
defrosted. Like, why do people do that?
Baby, you do that.
Alright, so for the snacks, we need chips, cinnamon rolls, Airheads, Rice Krispies, and gummies. Not those.
To the airhead.
Yeah, but not those. The Airhead Bites.
Oh, our bike.
That's
I'm sorry, guys. He's new. I don't know if I'm gonna keep him yet. I might fire. Oh, yeah, you're doing good.
Yeah, thank you, buddy.
You're doing good.
I appreciate it.
Yo guys, so they actually switched up everything around the whole store. This is actually the Sam's right down where we live, and they switched everything. It's kind of annoying because I have no idea where anything is at. Alright guys, so for the chips, I was thinking just get regular chips just because hot chips, you know, it's a motel, it's a bunch of like older folks.
Yeah.
And also I'm pretty sure no kids go there, so hot chips is not gonna do good. So either, I think I might just get sun chips.
Well,
I didn't know they had your picture in Sam's. You're famous.
damn, dude, look at the picture of me.
Do you get commission for every box sold or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, the follow, look.
Subscribe?
Yeah.
Hey, we got new subscribers today.
Right away.
Alright.
Hey, thanks to me,
Appreciate
right?
it.
Yeah, right.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, thanks to me. See, there you go.
Alright guys, look, so one of the most important items that we had to get was Monster. He specifically said to get that, and there's none left. Alright guys, now for the moment of truth. Comment down below real quick how much money you guys think all of this is gonna be. How much do you think?
230.
No, don't look, don't look, you saw. So the grand total, 282 bucks.
Hey, well, subscribe to him because every subscriber I gave him is $1.
Guys, it's so funny because Gilbert has been promoting my channel literally this whole time throughout Sam's, and it's so funny. Dang, look at this. So that's all the product that's gonna be going into the new machines. Alright guys, so we just left Sam's. It's kind of windy, so I'm sorry, but you guys can see all the drinks that we bought. We bought a lot more drinks and snacks. But yeah, now we gotta put all the drinks onto this tall truck and then drive back. So you want me to pass it to you?
Yeah, Bubba.
All right, so there we go. We got the whole back of the truck completely full. We have all the drinks, all the snacks, the chips, the candy, everything. It looks pretty nice. We got a bunch of stuff. So now let's go back to the location, fill up the machines, and we'll be good for today.
Bruh.
Oh, sorry.
What are you
Hey,
doing?
what brand are those?
What?
What brand are those?
Well, brand Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein?
Yeah,
They're
what's up?
They're expensive or what?
Nah. So comment down below if you're a Silverado or a Dodge fan. Obviously, we have a Dodge Ram. Hey, pero si quema?
Eh?
Si quema?
Look at my cut!
You're ugly.
Yeah. Oh, that's a new trend right now.
Alright guys, so we finally made it back to the Motel 6. We have all the drinks on the dolly, as you guys can see. I'm pretty excited. I never saw myself having a hotel for years. So, I mean, I guess let's go inside and get the machines filled up. Alright guys, so real quick before we fill up the machines, this is what I was talking about. So they actually have another vending machine right next to mine. So show them, like, that one's right there. Mine are right next to him. But the owner did say that he was gonna take it out in like a couple days. So, I mean, I guess that's good. I could have got 2 soda machines for the price of 1 if I didn't get this one. But this one was a lot newer, it looked better, so I went with this one. All right, here we go. The first ever drink inside of the machine. Coke, let's do it. Oh. All right guys, so we're filling up the soda machine right now, and we actually just noticed that there's no light in the bottom. So if you guys see, you know, we got the light on top, but there's no light in the bottom, and I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's missing like a LED light in the bottom or something. Yeah, so whenever you close the door, it looks, I mean, it's still dark, but I think it looks a little bit better. But anyways, this is what we have so far. So we got the Bang in there. Hopefully that does good. The reason why we got Bang is because they didn't have any green Monster. We only got the blue, white, and red. So, I mean, we don't have the green one, but we do got Red Bull. So we got a whole row of energy drinks. All right, so here we go. We have the final product right here. Bro, thank you so much for helping me out. Anyways, we got the snack machine all the way filled up. It looks pretty nice. Every single selection is pretty much full, at least halfway. I'm not gonna lie, the prices are actually kind of high. So let's see, the Red Bull B4, let's see how much is that. $2.50. So all the energy drinks are $2.50. And for the snack machine, this is actually the only location that I sell the chips for $1.25. Would you pay $1.25? I mean, it's not the small bags. So look at this. It's the 2-ounce bags. The Cheez-Its though, $1.
I would not pay $1.
You wouldn't pay $1? The gummies are $2. All the pastries are $1.50. All the candy is also $1.50. Yeah, so because candy is getting pretty expensive. Alright guys, so right now we're actually making the holes on the machines. We have so many holes, but those are the holes for the credit card reader. So, I mean, there's so many. Also, you guys might be wondering, Jaime, why is there so many holes in the machine? Well, someone doesn't know how to measure.
Hey, you measured. Hold on, wait a minute. Yes. Oh no, you measured.
I did, it was me.
Look at the thing right there.
Anyways, my girlfriend's actually over here adding all the change into the soda machine. Obviously, so people can get back change when they buy something. Actually, the cool thing about this one is that we can put dollar coins inside.
Are we going to?
Yeah, because that way, whenever somebody puts in a 5, they don't get like $4 back in quarters. Alright guys, we are finally done. We got both of the credit card readers on both machines, and I like this one. It looks pretty nice because the yellow stands out. But anyways, now that we have it on, I'm gonna put my card inside and test it out.
Bing Blu-rays.
Nah, Bank's too expensive. Pick something else.
No, you can pick whatever I want.
Pick something else.
You said,
I'll get you a water. I'll get you a water.
No. Why? Hey, I want that one.
Alright, oh, there we go. It works. So, that's good. Gotta clean the machine since you put out your fingerprints on it. Yeah, clean yourself. Dang, you look like a professional cleaner.
I do window tints, baby boy.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we got the first customer right here. He bought some Reese's. He wants to get a drink, but he only has 50 cents. And I don't think he understands. But anyways guys, we are finally done, baby. It took so long, but we got the snack machine done. We got the soda machine done right here. And they look pretty nice. We got the seeds right there, so hopefully those sell pretty good. Yeah, so maybe in like about a week we'll be back, check out the money, see how it's doing. It should do really good because it's a motel. But yeah, there's one last look.